Tesseract?
I'm going to have to talk a little louder, our heater's on.
Okay. So the Tesseract itself is the idea of a fourth dimension, and this next quote is right out of the Pickover book. It says, "I know of no subject in mathematics that has intrigued both children and adults as much as the idea of a fourth dimension." That's just, in general, I mean, a lot of people are just amazed at just the idea there could be another like world or another universe. And like the picture on the right is kind of like the idea of what it would look like. It's just a cube kind of inside of another one, but we can't see it because we can only see it in 3D. Geometrically, the Tesseract is a cube inside of a cube that includes 16 vertices, 32 edges, 24 squares, and 8 cubes. You can kind of see it moving right in there. You can better visualize the Tesseract as a square staying perpendicular with its 3 axes, shrinking and twisting inside of itself. And the term Tesseract was first used by Charles Howard Hinton in 1888. And this whole little table is all the different corners and edges. Like the higher the dimensions of it get. And this is kind of the pattern that the cube, like when there's a cube inside of it, that it makes. It kind of like moves on the outside, and the outside cube shrinks, and the inside cube like enlarges, and it just keeps revolving and twisting. The Tesseract is used in a lot of different things, in a lot of different movies and stories. So like, have you guys seen Avengers? It's used a lot in there. Like they use that to go from one world to another. This is another quote of the Pickover book. It says, "When used in seances, the Hinton cubes were thought to help people see glimpses of ghosts of dead family members." And that's just another use of the Tesseract that is thought it could do. Charles Hinton even thought that using a colored set of the Hinton cubes could help you see people in the fourth dimension, so the dimension that we can't see because we only see in 3D.